Hello.
Hi, welcome to ИнстаФорекс TV channel. The economic news will be presented by us, Ekaterina Stikhina
And Dana Kasatkina.
You're watching the overview of the currency and commodity markets for the last week.
What events were unfolding on Forex trading floors?
The US dollar was advancing against other majors on Friday.
And what exactly roused the bullish sentiment among investors?
The US government reported on Friday that non-farm payroll employment beat expectations in July. That raises the probability of an interest rate hike from the Federal Reserve in the near months. On Friday, the US Labor Department said that non-farm payrolls increased by 255,000 jobs last month, much better than the forecast for a 180,000 gain. The upbeat report pushed the US dollar up to a weekly high. The unemployment rate remained unchanged at 4.9%. The strong figures triggered speculations that the US Fed will raise the benchmark rate later this year. The dollar-yen pair was trading at 101.79 in the late session on Friday. Last week, the pair sank to a three-week low at 100.67 as investors were discouraged with a new package of stimulus measures from Japan's Prime Minister. At the same time, the euro fell below a weekly minimum of 1.1046 versus the US dollar. The pair closed at 1.1086 on Friday. The single European currency eased by 0.8% last trading week. The US dollar also hit a weekly high against the Swiss franc at 0.9830. The dollar-franc pair closed at 0.9810 on Friday. Overall, the pair gained 1.2% last week. The pound sterling weakened to a three-week low of 1.3022 against the US dollar and closed at 1.3070. The British pound lost 1.2% for the whole week. The pound weakened in light of the monetary policy decision of the Bank of England. The regulator cut the key interest rate to a record low of 0.25% and extended the ongoing quantitative easing program to mitigate the impact of the EU referendum vote. That's all about currency dynamics on Forex for now.
Thank you for the currency market review, Anna.
You're welcome, Ekaterina. What sentiment prevailed among commodity investors?
Crude prices closed the Friday session in negative territory.
And what placed the quotes under pressure?
It was a jump in the US dollar on the back of upbeat employment data from the United States. Besides, investors were disappointed by the fact that the oil rig count in the United States rose for the sixth week in a row. In London, Brent contracts for October delivery lost 2 cents, falling to $44.27 a barrel on Friday. Over the week, Brent futures gained to 74 cents or 1.67%. At the New York Mercantile Exchange, WTI September contracts dropped by 13 cents to $41.80 a barrel. Despite Friday's losses, prices advanced by 20 cents or 0.48% throughout the week. Besides, on Friday, gold tumbled to a weekly low after the strong labor market report from the United States boosted the greenback. At COMEX, gold futures for December delivery slipped to the session low of $1,340.40 per troy ounce. It was the lowest mark since July 29. Trading closed at the level of $1,344.40. Over the week, gold edged down by $13.10 or 0.96%.
Ekaterina, thank you for the commodity market overview.
You're welcome, Anna.
You have been watching the weekly currency and commodity market review on ИнстаФорекс TV.
It was presented to you by us, Dana Kasatkina
And Ekaterina Stikhina.
Have a great day. Goodbye.
See you.